When you're 18, society tells you to live a wild life, make memories, make friends, and enjoy your youth, what they say. But I chose the opposite. No parties, no comfort, no fake friends. Because I realized something way earlier. You can either spend your youth pretending you're happy and destroy your future, or you can use it to build an empire and buy back your freedom. Not just for you, for your family and for the people you actually care about. I realized something way earlier. I was the black sheep of my family. I didn't want it to be like anybody else in my family. I wanted something different. I wanted something way bigger that they could never even imagine. I didn't want it to go through the same route that everyone fucking goes nowadays. Enjoy your youth, get into a debt to get into a college to get a degree that doesn't even matter, then work a 9 to 5 to pay that debt off, then start a family at 30 that you can barely afford, and then retire at 15 and then just wait to die. And if that's normal, fuck normal. I'll build my own path. Back in my first year of high school, when I just discovered self improvement, online money, going to the gym, reading books, I was still a spineless kid. No reputation, no skill, no identity. I was literally invisible. I used to make jokes in class just to make people laugh, just to fit in, just to get the attention. And yeah, admitting this on camera is fucked up, but it is what it is. I was scared of being alone, so I forced myself to be like everybody else. I would go to the parties even if I didn't want it to. I would go waste my time with them even if I hated it. And every time I said yes to a plan, which I didn't wanted to say yes, I felt weaker because I was having this inner conflict every single day with my real self. Every time I was partying, I was pretending to look happy on the outside. I'm enjoying my youth, but inside, I hated it because I knew I could be more. I was built for more. But I kept coping. Oh, I'm young. It's fine to have fun. Until I couldn't take it anymore. Enough is enough. And finally, I made a decision. A real one. I started going to the gym every single day. I started learning editing and built a faceless page which I had 58,000 followers. I started taking my health more seriously. I started saying no more often. And for the first time in my life, I was actually proud of myself. I was proud of myself. As 2025 got closer, I realized I was still not all in. I was still watching porn. I was still going out sometimes. I was still making no money whatsoever. I was still commanding no respect from my surrounding. And I felt unsatisfied. And I knew if I didn't go all in right now, I would go back to the version of me which I hate currently. So I made the final cut. No fake friends, no parties, no hangouts, zero distraction. I locked myself in a room and started my real lock-in era. I started building my personal brand. I started posting on Instagram and YouTube. I started training harder than ever. I started clipping to make money on side. I started working on my personality, skills, started learning multiple languages, started building more discipline. I got closer to God. I quit porn completely. And this year alone, I have improved more than my entire life before. And it's definitely not easy. My mom went from saying, "Why are you always out?" to saying, "Why don't you ever go out?" The people close to me knows me as the guy who never leaves his room and is always doing something. And honestly, I like that because that's what your first few years of entrepreneurship should look like. Isolation, silence, and progress that no one sees, not even you. And I'm still in that phase. Locked in on my room, grinding hard every single day, making videos, reading books, doing all this stuff to make money online. Isn't it hard? Why don't I just quit? Because it's supposed to be hard. If it was easy, everyone would have it. Then there wouldn't be no point chasing it. If your dream car was suddenly worth $10, do you think it would have the same place in your heart than when it was worth $500,000 or $1 million or $5 million? No, because now it's worth $10. Everyone has it. It doesn't have any value in your heart anymore. Same goes for your dream. The bigger the dream, the harder it's gonna be because by default, less people are gonna have it. If you're in that phase, feeling alone, misunderstood, detached, remember, it's literally supposed to be like this. Every person who built something great had an era of isolation where no one believed in him, his family, his friends, literally no one did. He had a goal and he believed in it 100% and he pulled it off. The path to become dangerous always starts in silence. Build when nobody's watching because people would call you crazy until you win and then you're suddenly a genius. I'm literally 18. I don't have it all figured out, but I know one thing. I'm not wasting my youth. I'm using it as a weapon. Unlimited coffee, unlimited energy, unlimited adrenaline, and just going after my goals day by day. And if you're doing the same, welcome to my channel.